Market Monitor is a market breadth based timing tool. It is used to determine when you should be bullish and when you should be bearish. Now, in order to use it, you need to understand what is the structural logic behind it. And once you understand the structural logic, what you need to understand is how market breadth is calculated and how market breadth is used. Now, as you can see in this particular spreadsheet, you're going to see this number of stocks up 4%. So these are all different data points which are generated in TC2000. So in order to generate this in TC2000, what I do is I have this bunch of scans. So as you can see, you will see a lot of scans on this. So the first scan looks for stocks which are up 4% plus. The second one looks for stocks which are down 4% plus. This one looks for a stock which is up 25% in a quarter. So that means it is up 25% plus in 65 days. Here it looks for a stock which is down 65%, say 25% in 65 days. This looks for a stock which is in a month up 25%. This looks for stocks which are down 25% in a month. This looks for stocks which are up 50% in a month. This looks for stocks which are down 50% in a month. And this looks for half of this. Like this is, you're looking at quarterly 25%. So this is approximately half of 34 by 13. So 13% move in a 34 days. So this is where the information is generated, and the scans for this thing will be added to below this video so that you can replicate the scan, or you can get this layout and you can replicate that layout. Now this is the starting point, and from here the data is then entered into this spreadsheet. So as you can see here, these numbers will be the one which will show up in the spreadsheet later today. When I was doing this video, this has not yet been updated. So this information, these two columns, is going to come from this. Some of the columns are calculated using this data. So in this particular thing, first what you need to do is, in order to use Market Monitor, first you need to set up something like this, and then you need to understand what are we measuring. What we are measuring in this Market Monitor is essentially the underlying buying or selling in the market. You are looking at whether there is money coming into the market or money going out of the market. So Market Monitor is showing you when you have a lot of buying coming in, the figures will show that there is buying coming in. So market breadth is used for market timing, and this is not something which I discovered. This is a well-known thing in the market, that best market timing models are based on market breadth. So in the Market Monitor, we are calculating various periods market breadth. You are taking a breadth as calculated as number of 4% breakout which happened today, or number of 4% breakdown which happened today. You are calculating breadth as number of stocks which are making 25% move in a quarter, or number of stocks which are down 25% in a quarter. Or you are measuring breadth by calculating how many stocks have made 25% move in a month, how many have made 25% down in a move. And in the next one, you are looking at 50% stocks which have made 50% move in a month, how many are down. So, or similarly, you are looking at stock which is up 13% in 34 days. Now, these kind of measurement are market derived data. That means like they are not secondary indicators. They are coming in from the market. You are looking at the market data, and from the market data, you are generating this particular figure. So all the Market Monitor data comes from this particular scan, right? And as you can see, it has got like a number of scans, and from there the data goes into the spreadsheet. Now, in next series of video, I'm going to take you through just the first two columns here, or the first two columns, first two scans here, and show you how you can use that information to decide whether money is coming in for a particular day or money is not coming in for a particular day. So that's where we are going to be focusing on the second part.